y'all, it's Kamara C back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this crazy mess into a little something like this. Let's get right into the video. First things first, we're going to start out with our trusty water bottle, and this is just going to saturate our hair and get all of that goodness that we need. Next, we're just going to take our pick and fluff out our hair. This goes for curly and damaged hair, but it really worked for damaged hair when you're trying to hide some of the straight strands that you might have in your hair. After that, we're going to take some good old oil. I like to use African Best Ultimate Hairable Oil. And this is just going to add some moisturization into our hair. Get that shine going, boo. Then we're going to go on with that castor oil and place it around the edges. That's what I like to do because I have a lot of thinning around the edges, and castor oil does promote hair growth. And you can put this anywhere, but I like to focus around my hairline. If you could not tell already, my hair is absolutely like a sponge. So we're going to go in with that water bottle again just to keep it nice and saturated, and then go in with our curling cream. And I know it says Cantu Care for kids, but it works like wonders for me as an adult, and it smells so good. The wonders are like amazing. I feel like it works better than an adult brand. So if you ever try the kid version, please let me know. Here we go again, some more water going for you, and this is just to keep it hydrated, as I said before. So we're gonna get a little spritz going. Yeah, girl, get that spritz going. And then we're going to go in with our Eco Styling Gel. Put this around the hairline to get that sleek look in your hair. Now I realize that I like to try and do my edges before I actually put my ponytail in. I feel like this helps the hairline a little better because you won't be snatching up any edges that may have been placed into your ponytail and losing any hair. Also, it helps you to get a better look of it. Like sometimes you won't have the right style that you might want for your edges or anything like that. So I feel like doing this first will help benefit it. And after using the Eco Styling Gel just to put those edges in place, we're going to go in with our Hicks Transformation edges to get that extra hold and make sure that you are looking gorgeous all day. Or handsome if you're a guy. This is how the edges are going to look. Get it, girl? Now we can finally jump into finalizing that puff ball. We're just going to swoop up our hair into that nice hairband and finish our look. Now for finishing touches, this includes the pick, placing curls wherever you need it, and checking on those edges, girl. And this is the finishing look. That's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys. Bye.